a gasket, 3/8, and an oil pan. Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to set up the depth of your oil pan or your oil pump pickup tube for your pan. I've seen it done a million different ways with clay, with measuring devices and all that kind of stuff. And for your standard small block Chevy guys, with that this is adjustable or this moves up and down, a gasket, 3/8, because that's what it's supposed to be, 3/8 depth, and an oil pan. Takes about 5 minutes to do. No measuring involved. Let's get into it. Let the keyboard warriors begin. Very simple. Have your timing chain cover on. Put your new gasket on. Put your 3/8 socket, thin wall. Oh, that's not good. Yes, this is overkill. You can use a magnet, you can use a whole bunch of stuff, whatever you want to do. Pull the pickup tube off. Pull the pickup tube up so it's past wherever it's going to hit the oil pan. And simply slap the oil pan on. Very simple. Push down. Give it a good tap. Tappy tap. Voila. All done. Very simple, easy to do. Anybody can do it at home. In the next video, we're going to go over putting this on, a Pioneer 839061. Oh, also, thank you for all the comments about brazing this and all that kind of stuff. Yes, I can do all that stuff. Just, I want to show this part, and I think this actually works better. I just feel more secure about it. And also, is that we're going to do one last modification to this oil pump, and that'll be in the next video showing this, what we're doing with the oil pump. But yeah, very simple, super easy to do. Anybody can do it. Click that like and subscribe, and see you later.